Thank you. Don't touch that. You don't take it out without Daddy. Thank you. Here. Thank you. Yeah, we'll do that after. First we gotta put the plates away. Give Dad. Thank you. No, we do that after, I said. Here, we gotta put these away first. Give Daddy. Ah, thank you. Good boy. Give Daddy. Thank you. Good boy. Yeah, we still got these things. Exactly. Give Daddy. Oh, thank you. Yep. Oh, you want to... Let's put this away. Come. Here, come. Let's put these away. Come on. I know you like this. Come on. Hold on. Get these all out. Okay? Come to Daddy. Come. Here. Here. Come on. Come. Hold it. Come. Thank you. Thank you, Cruz. Huh? Yeah, we'll get those after. Those are dangerous, but thank you, Cruz. Don't grab anything without Daddy. Here. No knives. Here. Hold on. Thank you. Good job, Cruz. Great job, buddy.
Give that to
Awesome. Thank you. Thanks, buddy. Thanks, Cruz. Okay. Thanks, Cruzy. Daddy will work more. It's easier. No, don't touch, Cruz. Don't touch. Here, come here.